Hello class, my name is Kimberly Bosley and I'm your instructor for English Composition 2. I want to welcome you to English Comp. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been teaching with Vista. I've been teaching English Composition and Professional Strategies this year with Vista. I'm also the instructional designer for Vista College. So I help develop the courses and build the courses in the LMS. This course that you're viewing right now, I developed and built in the LMS. So that's pretty exciting. I have fun in my job and I love it. I also love writing. I've published two children's books and I'm working on one for this year and also an adult book. So yes, writing is my thing. With that being said, let's move into what we'll be doing for the next 5 weeks. We are going to use our syllabus as our guide. It is your map for the next 5 weeks. It explains everything that you need to know to be successful in this class. So let's look at week 1. Week 1, you'll have your lessons where you talk about revising and editing. You'll read chapter 6. And then in your discussion post, you're going to discuss the purpose and type of revision and editing, and you'll give an example of each. I'm also going to post an additional question to that. How is revising and editing used on your job, if it's used on your job? Some of you may not use revising and editing or may not have a job where you do a lot of writing. Talk about that in your discussion post. And then in assignment 1.1, you're going to write a 1 to 2 page essay, choosing a writing prompt from below. The first writing prompt that you may write about is create an argument that persuades your reader, and your reader is me, that the career that you've chosen is the right career for you. You have to convince me that this is the right career for you. And then option 2 is describe an experience from your lifetime that made you realize that you've chosen the right career. It made you realize that I should be doing this. And then number 3 is a creative writing prompt where you are a dragon slayer and you are in pursuit of your dream career and you need to slay the challenges that come your way. So you're going to write a creative story as a dragon slayer in pursuit of your dream career. That's a fun one. I hope one of you choose number 3. You only have to choose one. So you choose one and you write your essay. I look forward to reading your essay. And then in assignment 1.2, you're going to use the following questions below to decide what type of revisions and edits you will make to your essay that you just wrote in 1.1. And you're going to explain your answers to the questions in a separate document. And you will submit both documents to the assignment, okay, to assignment 1.2. Now, in week 2, you have a narrative. We're going to talk about the narrative. You have a video that you will watch, and then of course you'll read chapter 7. And then your discussion is describe the characteristics and structures of a narrative essay. How can a narrative essay help you in your job? Could you use a narrative essay on your job? Or where would you see a narrative essay used? And then in assignment 2, you're going to actually write a narrative essay. And you're going to tell your personal story. I would say that this essay needs to be 1 to 2 pages as well. It doesn't say that here. Then week 3 is about the argumentative essay. And you follow the same process. You're going to do your lessons. You're going to read chapter 11. And then in your discussion, you're going to examine the uses of 3 principal means of persuasion and the powers of weaknesses of each, and give an example of how you may use persuasion on your job. Persuasion and argumentative essay is the same thing. You have to persuade or make an argument make an argument persuading your audience that what you're saying is the right thing and it's best for them. Okay? And then your assignment, of course, is you're going to select a topic that you have a strong opinion about. And you're going to research that topic, and make sure when you research your topic that you use our EBSCOhost library, online library, to get your resources. Also, make sure that you cite any sources that you use in your paper. You're going to select your topic, research your topic using EBSCOhost, and then you're going to write your main idea statement and choose supporting reasons for your position in the paper. Remember, you're trying to persuade me that your opinion about this topic is the right opinion. And then you're going to write a 2-page essay about your opinion, convincing me that it's the right opinion. Have fun with that, guys. And then in week 4, you're going to do some comparison and contrast. Okay, you're going to follow the same format and look at your lesson 4, read chapter 9, discuss when might you use comparison and contrast mode of writing in your job. For this assignment, you will write a comparison and contrast essay about a topic of your choosing. So you're going to choose a topic that you can compare and contrast things. Possible options include 2 politicians or 2 athletes, Usain Bolt and Michael Phelps, or entertainers, Michael Jackson and Bruno Mars. Whatever it is, you're going to compare and contrast the 2. Then you're going to determine your main idea or your critical opinion about your 2 objects, and then you're going to decide on what you want to get across. Choose 3 common points to help structure your essay. So there'll be 3 common points that your objects share, and you're going to compare them. You're going to write a 1 to 2 page essay. Remember, you can use the EBSCOhost library for your research, and make sure you cite your sources. Make sure your main idea statement is clear and it states your critical opinion. Select your points of comparison and carefully plan your paper accordingly. Sometimes it's helpful to write an essay first to kind of an outline to kind of plan out what you're going to say in your essay. Your different points on your outline represents each paragraph, and then you can develop your paragraphs from that outline. Just a little tidbit there. Be sure to use consistent organizational strategy. That's where that outlining is going to come in handy. Okay? And then number 5, we're talking about research writing. And you're going to, again, make an argumentative paper using research. You're going to have a discussion, write your reflection on this course, what you learned in this course so far, and then assignment 5.1, you're doing some more research. And then you're going to use your research to write your paper. And you can you're going to research your career, and then you can include a job description, educational requirements, work environment, salary, whatever interests you about this job. Okay? So that's your class in a nutshell. Your discussion board questions are worth 60 points each, a total of 300 points. And then your assignments are worth 100 points each, with a total of 700 points. We do have a late policy where if you submit your assignment after the deadline, There will be 10 points taken off each week that is late. It's best not to procrastinate. It's best to start early and write your assignments early and get them submitted early. If you have any questions or concerns or need some clarification on your assignment, please do not hesitate to contact me. I look forward to reading your work, guys. I look forward to interacting with you in the discussion board and having fun with you. I hope I have some writers in this course that we can bond together and write. All right, guys. Have a great week. And also, happy 4th of July. Be safe on the 4th of July. That's your day off. So post your initial post early. Post your initial post on Tuesday. That way you're counted for attendance and you can relax and chill out for the 4th. Talk to you soon.